Hello, we're MovinsEdition. Today, I'm going to introduce an item that Nike Lunar LDV Trail Mid Sneaker Boot. The Nike Lunar LDV Sneaker Boot shoes bring the lightweight, responsive cushioning of Lunarland to the classic shoe, proving that some things just get better with age. A ballistic mesh upper with premium leather overlays updates the look of the legend, while an improved wattful outsole ups traction and keeps you steady on your feet. Nike Lunarland foam technology has redefined cushioning by reducing weight and more evenly distributing force, so you'll run like you never have before. The Nike Lunar LDV sneaker boot will keep you comfortable during your off-road adventures. This stylish and functional model has a durable leather upper with cutouts, heel pull tab, comfortable Lunarland midsole, two-tone laces, and an aggressive modified waffle pattern on the outsole for traction. More commonly seen on running shoes, basketball kicks, and even dress shoes, Lunarland technology has earned more than its weight in gold, and now the lightweight midsole is making its way onto one of Nike's top outdoor models. The Trail Mid rocks a padded ankle collar, a perforated mesh and suede upper, and a comfortable, thick Lunarland midsole that is fitted with a rugged and deep traction outsole. Finished with outdoor-inspired laces and a matching heel pull, this Nike Lunar LDV Trail Mid is the perfect option for the active hiker who expect a little bit more style from their kicks. This was an introduction of an item Nike Lunar LDV Trail Mid Sneaker Boot, owned by MovinsEdition. Thanks. Have a good day.